Main components of a clutch: 1 pressure plate, 2 driven plate, 3 throwout bearing. 1 pressure plate. The pressure plate is responsible for holding the clutch disc tightly against the flywheel when the clutch is engaged, which makes your transmission run. It is also responsible for releasing the clutch disc whenever you press the clutch pedal, which disengages the transmission from the engine. 2 driven plate. For light trucks, the clutch-driven plate is another component of the clutch, which converts torque from the engine to the gearbox through friction, thereby completing disengagement and engagement functions, reducing the vibration and shock of the transmission system. 3. Throwout bearing. Release bearing. On manual transmission vehicles, a throwout bearing is used. It is a part of the clutch disengagement or release mechanism that occurs when the driver presses the clutch pedal. As a result, it is also known as a release bearing.